In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an extra attendee to a meeting using Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're updating an existing meeting or creating a brand new one, the process is quick, consistent, and easy to follow. I'll walk you through both scenarios and share a few helpful tips so your invitations reach the right people the first time. Let's start with an existing meeting. Open Microsoft Outlook and switch to your calendar so you can see your schedule at a glance. Navigate to the correct date, then double-click the meeting you want to update to open the full details. You'll need to be the meeting organizer to change the attendee list. In the meeting window, find the Invite Attendees field, sometimes labeled To. Type the email address of the person you want to add and take a second to check for typos. If Outlook suggests a contact, confirm it's the correct one. When you're ready, click Send. Outlook updates the meeting and delivers a revised invitation to everyone, including the new attendee. If you're prompted to send updates, simply confirm. The time, location, and any notes or attachments remain part of the event, so the new person gets the full context. Now, let's add people while creating a new meeting. From the calendar, click New Event to start fresh. Fill in the key details, a clear meeting title, the date, start and end times, and any notes or an agenda that helps attendees prepare. In the Invite Attendees section, enter each person's email address. Separate multiple addresses with a semicolon so Outlook recognizes them individually. Many versions of Outlook also let you mark someone as optional, which can be helpful for larger groups. Before sending, do a quick review, confirm the time zone, double-check the date, and make sure your notes are clear. If you have access to scheduling tools like the scheduling assistant, you can glance at availability to reduce conflicts. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will create the event and send invitations to all listed attendees. And that's it. You now know how to add attendees to both existing and new meetings in Microsoft Outlook. Mastering this small skill helps you stay organized, coordinate with your team, and keep everyone informed without extra emails. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, leave a comment, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tips like this.